Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It is 7 o'clock, and we are at the Saugus Swap Meet. And if you go on Tuesdays, it's free to enter. And majority of the time, they have lots of vintage stuff. So we're gonna go check it out, see what we can find, and hope we find some goodies and something to resell on eBay. Welcome back, you guys. This all came from the Tuesday swap meet by me, and I bought all this stuff from two dealers, and I spent, I want to say it was like $35 for all this stuff. And this is super cool. It's called a Dolly Nurser, still in the original box. And it has like these metal and glass bottles to like nurse your doll, and it looks like everything's in there, which is super cool. This also came from that same dealer. It's this 1940s Walt Disney puppet book. Like I said, it's from the 40s, and it looks like you would rip out your puppets out of this page, and you're reading like the story right here, and then you would move your puppets through the scene of the book, and they have like, you continue reading your story, and then you have the puppets go throughout the scene. See, there's more of them right there. Like, they move around, you can take it out and you can move them to different scenes, which is super cool. And see, this is how they came in, like that. But yeah, this is from 1940s. And then I also got this from the same dealer, and it's a Bullseye's art paper. But what's really cool about this is it's by Milton Bradley Company, which you might know from all those games you guys played growing up. I've never seen paper, especially in the original like sleeve it came in, or I can't even find this. So I'm curious how much this is worth. I have no idea, but this is super cool. And then the rest of the stuff came from another dealer, and I want to say gave him about $30 for the other stuff. And the coolest piece of all the stuff from the other dealer has to be this metal 1930s Olympic, Los Angeles Olympic like flag. It's missing the like wooden stand, so it'll be like a wooden stand and it'll be hanging up like that. You can't find any one of these online. I mean, I happened to find one, and it was like I had to really search for it. I mean, it went back to like 2016, I think, and it was a better condition with the stand, and it sold for $150. So if that sold years ago for $150, I can only imagine what this is worth. I think this probably paid for all that stuff I found. And also, I looked this up, and this is worth somewhere around 40 to 50 bucks. So I think I did pretty well. Like I said, I paid $30 for one dealer, and I want to say I paid, I think, another $5-10 on the other stuff. And yeah, so this is my Tuesday swap meet finds.